Want to get more done and stay organized using Windows Clock? The Clock app includes alarms, timers, stopwatch tools, world clocks, and focus sessions that can help you manage your time more effectively. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to improve productivity with Windows Clock in 2026. Start by using alarms for important tasks and reminders. Create alarms for meetings, deadlines, breaks, or other activities you don't want to forget. Give each alarm a clear name and set the repeat schedule when you need it regularly. Next, use the timer feature to create focused work periods. Set a specific amount of time for a task, start the countdown, and concentrate on your work until the timer finishes. Yeah, working within a defined time limit can make it easier to stay focused. Timers can also help you take regular breaks. After a focused work session, set a short timer for a break, step away from your screen, and return when the timer finishes. This can help you create a more consistent work and rest routine. For longer periods of focused work, use focus sessions in Windows Clock. Choose a focused duration and start your session. Yeah, focus sessions are designed to help you concentrate while keeping your work period organized. The stopwatch is useful when you want to measure how long a task actually takes. Start the stopwatch when you begin, use lapse when needed, and stop it when you're finished. Tracking your time can help you understand where your workday is going. If you work with people in different countries, add world clocks to quickly check their local time. This can make scheduling meetings and communicating across time zones much easier. Finally, combine these features into a simple daily routine. Use alarms for important events, timers for individual tasks, focus sessions for deep work, and world clocks for international schedules. Yeah, once you build a routine, Windows Clock can become a useful part of your everyday productivity system. And that's how to improve productivity with Windows Clock in 2026. By combining alarms, timers, focus sessions, stopwatch tracking, and world clocks, you can organize your time and stay focused throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.